Are you bored of recreating the same questionnaires, tasks, and experiments in Gorilla when you start a new project? Well, if that's you, then I've got something that will really help save some time. It's called the cloning tool, and it's a very powerful, useful tool within Gorilla itself, and it allows you to copy any pre-existing task, questionnaire, or experiment that you've created or you're collaborating on. So if you have a project supervisor that's already got an experiment that works, and you just need to make a copy and add it to your study, then you can do that within a couple of clicks. In addition to that, you can also clone from the massive list of sample tasks and questionnaires and experiments that Gorilla provide in their samples page. And to find that, you just need to go up to the support tab in the top, click on that, take the second option, samples, give that a second to load because there is quite a lot of content. And then all you need to do is have a look through, scroll through all of the different tasks and questionnaires that they've got on offer. Alternatively, you can search. So I'm just going to use Stroop because I can see that there, but it shows you all of the different types of Stroops that they've got. Alternatively, you've got some categories on the left that you can filter to, and you can also choose the appropriate tool that you want to use. So let's say I wanted to clone this Stroop task from the samples guide. All I would need to do is open it in editor, click on clone and edit in the top right hand corner. I can set a name if I want, so I don't need it to say cloned, but then I'm going to show which project that I'm working in. So that's the one that I own, that's the one I'm working in at the moment, and click clone. And there you go. In a very few couple of seconds, we've managed to clone an entire task, and now we can jump in and edit that however we want to. Anyway, I hope this video has been useful for you, and if you've got any questions or got any comments, please drop them down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.